So, Chris, how have you been? Has the pain increased since the last time we spoke?
I've actually been feeling fine. I think I'm finally content with my situation.
Your situation?
My cancer. I think I've finally come to terms with it.
That's not something a lot of people in your situation can say. Which makes me more concerned. Have you been taking your medication?
Have I been taking them? Yeah. Do they really work? They stopped working a long time ago.
A long time ago. Uh, do explain.
Once you come to terms with something, you stop noticing certain things. You stop caring.
And what are you not caring about anymore? Is it the pain or the situation? How's your family taking this, Chris?
Mom is still taking it hard. I mean, she tries to put on a brave face, but I can see how much stress this puts on her emotionally and financially.
And what about your dad?
He's doing better, I think. Um, Last week we were able to fix his car. Remember his dream car I told you about? We were finally able to fix it up together.
I'm really glad to hear that. Um, I, I just want to retrace my steps a little here. And, you said that you were content with your situation. I'd really love if you could expand on that for me.
To be frank with you, I think I'm ready to die.
Yeah, that's the unfortunate reality for many.
Well, I don't want to end up like that. I have a plan.
A plan.
I'll leave here, drive out to that old spot in Canal State Forest. It's way off the path. Find my old favorite tree and sit by it, sipping on a huge thermos of margaritas, listening to some good playlist. Then comes the voicemail. I'll leave it for my family so they know it wasn't their fault and how sorry I am. Then pull out the handgun my dad gave me and end it all.